Every human is born with an innate desire to connect to the land. Bare feet on the earth, the wind in our hair, the sun warming our skin. Nature provides us with an ever-changing landscape. It allows us to see the brightest and boldest of colours like we have never experienced them before. It allows us to experience new life, new growth. It helps us to feel grounded and see the beauty in the simplest things. It allows us to experience feelings with the whole of our body and the whole of our being. Nature fills you with a feeling that you can be anything you want to be. It eases your fears and doubts and helps us push through barriers. It builds perseverance and offers us a sense of freedom and success.
You watch over me. You keep me safe. I feel how much you believe in me. You give me the time I need. You never watch me. You celebrate my success.
When you can find beauty in nature, you can grow to be fulfilled by the simplest of things. With the right environment and the right relationships, you can achieve anything. We need to love and respect this gift that we have been given, as we are caretakers of our children and our children's children and all generations to come.
I need time to run. I need time to climb. I need space. Time to explore. I need the freedom to make mistakes.
You only get one childhood. You don't want to regret the childhood you didn't give your children. You want to cherish the one you did.